What is Advanced Prefab? Advanced Prefab is an engineering firm with expertise in constructing large buildings using precast concrete technology. We have completed various projects for manufacturing buildings, warehouses, workshops, office buildings, and parking facilities. With a full turnkey mindset, we integrate design, planning, project management, and carry out all construction delivery processes. Integrated project delivery offers a new delivery method to save time while improving quality. Why Precast Concrete System by Advanced Prefab? Based on advanced technology from Italy, we provide a full set of high-quality precast concrete structure which consists of super strong floor, column, beam, gable, and roof. The major advantages of advanced prefab services are: only a fraction of time is needed to complete a project compared to traditional building construction methods. With simplicity in design, most of the uncertainties that affect critical path of a project's timeline are eliminated. A significant reduction of volume of construction-related waste. 5-year guarantee for precast concrete structure. 10-year roof leak warranty. Lifetime warranty coverage for rust and corrosion in our precast concrete structure. Credentials of our previous success. We take pride in our outstanding customers, which include Samsung Engineering Company Limited, Bangkok Interfood Company Limited, Quality Star Engineering Company Limited, and D-Land Company Limited. Advanced Prefab, advanced technology for concrete structure.